Today we will take a look at some of the latest Part 3 IELTS speaking questions, and I will share my own answers with you. After that, I will explain why I responded the way I did based on the IELTS criteria. Okay then, here we are in the third part of IELTS speaking, and the topic is about challenges. First, I read all the questions, then I answer the questions, and after that I analyze my answers. But now I just read the questions only. The first question says, in what ways can challenges contribute to personal growth? The second one says, how can society support individuals facing the challenges? The next one is, are there any challenges that are common for people in the workplace? And what are some challenges that young people face in today's society? Now let's get started with the first question, and I give you my answer to that. Here we go. The question was, in what ways can challenges contribute to personal growth? My answer to this one is, challenges provide opportunities for personal growth in numerous ways. Firstly, they push individuals out of their comfort zones, encouraging them to explore their limits and develop new skills. Secondly, challenges foster resilience and determination. Overcoming obstacles helps individuals build confidence and learn from their experiences. Lastly, challenges often lead to self-reflection, allowing individuals to gain a deeper understanding of their strengths and weaknesses, which can guide their personal development. As you can see in my answer, I try to give some explanation because we are in part 3, and in the third part of IELTS speaking, you always need to elaborate on your ideas. This means that you can never give like a one-sentence answer. You always need to give some explanation and an example if you can. And in order to do that, I try to use a range of vocabulary. For example, to provide opportunities, to push somebody or to push individuals out of their comfort zones, to foster resilience, and resilience means the ability to adapt to new challenges, determination, or self-reflection and personal development. So I try to use some terms related to self-growth and how challenges can help us in that regard. I also use the words like firstly and secondly, some time order words, because they can help you make some more and actually better complex grammatical structures. This is how you can get a good score in your grammar. Now, the second question. The second question was asking, how can society support individuals facing challenges? My answer to this one is, society can support individuals facing challenges by creating an environment that promotes empathy and inclusivity. Providing access to resources and support networks such as counseling services or mentorship programs can be beneficial. Additionally, offering flexible work or education arrangements can help individuals navigate their challenges without compromising their overall well-being. It's crucial for society to recognize that everyone faces unique challenges. Now, in my answer, I try to explain more about what I was asked to talk about, and I use some words like empathy, inclusivity, counseling services, or mentorship program to navigate the challenges, well-being, and I also use, for example, the word additionally because I wanted to add more information. So instead of repeating the word and, you can use additionally because this is how you can get a good score in your fluency and coherence. Now the third question. Are there any challenges that are common for people in the workplace? My answer to this one is yes. There are several challenges that individuals commonly face in the workplace. One common challenge is maintaining a work-life balance, especially in high-pressure or demanding jobs. In addition, another challenge is effective communication and collaboration within teams. Additionally, adapting to technological advancements and staying updated with industry trends can be a challenge for some. Workplace challenges vary depending on the nature of the job and the individual's role, but they often require problem solving, adaptability, and effective interpersonal skills to overcome. Here again, I try to explain about my answer, and I use some words like maintaining a work-life balance, high pressure or demanding jobs, which means the jobs that are more difficult than the other ones, in which you should have some skills, effective communication, technological advancements, staying updated, industry trends, problem solving, adaptability, and effective interpersonal skills. I also use the words in addition and additionally in order to add more information. And now the last question. What are some challenges that young people face in today's society? My answer to this one is young people encounter several unique challenges in today's society. One notable challenge is the pressure to succeed academically and secure a promising career. The competitive nature of education systems and the job market places immense stress on young individuals, often leading to high expectations and feeling of self-doubt. Another challenge is navigating the digital world and managing online presence. With the prevalence of social media and digital platforms, young people must deal with issues like cyberbullying, privacy concerns, and the addictive nature of technology. As you see here again, I use some terms like a promising career, which means a career or a job with potential for success. The competitive nature of something, and here we're talking about the education system. The job market, immense stress, high expectations, the feeling of self-doubt, prevalence, cyberbullying, and privacy concerns. As you can see here in the third part of IELTS speaking, we need to give more information. It's not like part one in which you give short answers. This one is about longer questions and longer answers. And you need to provide explanation and examples. And in order to do that and get a good score, you should use a range of collocations, some connectives, some good tenses and grammatical structures, and of course pay attention to your fluency and your pronunciation features. This is how you can get a good score. However, you also need techniques and strategies, and you can find them in our speaking course. Make sure to visit our website. Fantastic! Just as we did today, you can search for speaking questions, share your own answers, record your responses, and then listen to them. If you're interested in receiving an evaluation from our expert examiners, go ahead and book an online speaking mock test with us. Believe me, this will make a big difference. Wishing you best of luck and looking forward to seeing you. Stay tuned.